Good morning student, I am JDN Dr. Suman, Assistant Professor of English from Education Department, FEM. My topic, not my topic, it's everybody's topic. Topic we are going to take reading reflection. This is the subject, reading reflection. Reading is, if you read the only one word reading, reading is not limited to reading only. It goes for the literary meaning. Literary meaning is, in the dictionary, literary explain about the ability to read and write and knowledge of something. Again I am repeating, in dictionary meaning, literacy means read, write and full knowledge. Of a subject. Only in that sense it can be said as a literary reflection. So literary means it includes a broader aspects than just reading and writing. Literary is the tool to make the true meaning out of thinking also. Out of whatever the environment is there, in that environment what you are thinking, it should be on the broader level according to your environment. That is the proper meaning of reading in the literature form. Now as the topic required, so reflection on reading comprehension. Comprehension means something to read in detail in a broader manner, and reflection is a kind of thought process. So to reflect upon text, to achieve comprehension to reading, learner has to work hard on certain skills. Response to text. Too often we have reduced reading into the phonetics and grammar practice. To be literate, one needs to read things critically. Proper reading is part of instrumental literacy. Means it should not be the whatever we are reading. In today's points of view, when you are going for reading has been limited to phonetics and grammar parts. But moreover, it has to be more broader than that. We have to think all the things on critically. Then it is, if we are thinking critically, then it is called proper reading. Instrumental literacy is made of all the proficiency one needs in order to be able to assess a text and understand what is written over there. A personal response to text involves all same format as any other response to differentiate in the element of response. So subject is more comprehensive. More subjectivity is more appreciated. Means there has to be subject, there has to be content which can be understood. So if you are more focused on the content, that can be appreciated. It should not be only limited to grammar and its phonetics parts. So that is all about the literacy reflection. So today I have just taken the meaning of literacy and meaning of reflection. So literary, once again I am moving on the same topic. Literary means you want to read, write and full knowledge of something. If you are able to read, if you are able to write, and if you are having full knowledge over the subject, over the matter, then it can be said, you can be said as a literate person. Otherwise you are not literate if you are just know the reading. So it is on the broader level where you have to more and more focus on the content and the subject. Thank you for today. We'll go next for the next topic in the next session. Thank you.